Marshal app review. Hey guys, this is Shine from KAcademy.com and welcome to this Marshal app review. So in this Marshal app review, I'm going to discuss what Marshal app is in a nutshell and how it is going to help your business. Also, I do have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses and I do have got access to Marshal app as well. So I'll actually show you how it works as well. With that being said, in a nutshell, it's a brand new cloud-based software that goes live on the JVZoo platform at a heavily discounted one-time price. It actually allows you to take care of security and compliances in one go. All that you need to do is just input the URL of your website and boom, it would take care of everything. It shows you all the errors that are there. It also goes ahead and fixes them as well. You can make your website ADA compliant, GDPR compliant. You can make it privacy policy compliant. You can make it local business terms compliant. You can also go ahead and check out your security issues so that your website is never hacked or under the threat of any kind of attacks, right? Now, with that being said, if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Marshal app review. Without further ado, let's jump inside of my laptop and let me show you in details what Marshal app is. So here you can see I have added a couple of websites in here. Now, if I go inside of any of these websites, then it will give me all the detailed report regarding everything, right? You can see whether it is ADA compliant or not, privacy policy compliance or not. It includes GDPR, CCPA, LGPD, and POPI. So all kind of compliances are taken care of. You can also find the SEO and performance toolkit. You can also find the website security and the local business compliance as well. The best part, you can generate reports as well at one click, and you can also one click share this with your client to grab the deal. With that being said, you can not only find the issues and detect them, but also you can go ahead and fix them using all of these tabs. Now, I'll give you a deep demo of Marshal app, but before that, I want you to check out all of my insane bonuses that I have in store for you for this Marshal app review. Now, in order to check out all of my bonuses and check out every detail of Marshal app, all that you need to do is go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. You can see here Marshal review. Is it worth your investment or not? So it includes all the key features that it has, why it is a game changer, and why should you have it. All the information are in here. Now, if you scroll further down, you're going to find all of my bonuses as well. And all of my bonuses are premium bonuses. All of these are targeted towards local marketing. There are website builder, there are landing pages builder, there are funnel builder, membership sites builder, video creator, there is copywriting software, whatnot. I've covered you in all different terms of software that you can imagine. With that being said, if you further scroll down, you are going to find an additional set of bonuses that you are going to get in case if you do purchase any of the upgrades of Marshal, or you go ahead and purchase the bundle deal of Marshal. With that being said, again, all of these bonuses are very premium ones, and these are one of the best bonus packages that you can find in the marketplace. With that being said, please feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering, because I'm 100% confident that this is the best bonus package that you can have for Marshal app review. With that being said, again, without further ado, I'll jump inside of Marshal and I'll show you how to use it. Then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that Marshal has, and I'll be also discussing all the upgrades that it has, and I'll be suggesting you which one is good for you and which one is not. With that being said, again, please stick on with me till the end of this Marshal review. Hey, so welcome to this Marshal demo, and this is what the dashboard would look like. So first of all, you want to add a new business, just click on this, and then you need to give it a name. Say I'm giving the name as demo. You can definitely give a better name, right? So in here, you need to provide the email of the owner of the business. Now I'm giving my own email. You can definitely search for the website for their email and put it in here. Next in, I'm going to use the website. So let me give this URL. And since it uses HTTPS, so I'll just check this one, and in here you can select the region. Now this would determine the local business compliance that they have. Say for example, the business compliance terms in US are different from that in UK and so on, right? So you can just select the state, right? And in here you can also add the logos if you want to, and also the business niche. Now these are optional, so just go ahead and click on save business. You can also assign it to any team member that you might have. Now I have that access, that is why it is allowing me. If you are on the front end, you won't get the team member, right? With that being said, you can see now the demo has come over here and it's showing as active. So if I click on this now, and you can see it has already started this security checks. It is going for ADA compliance. You can see it is giving a number out of 100 as well. You can also go ahead and start the privacy compliance if you want to. And in here, you can see that GDPR is not compliant as of now. And here you can see you can make your website GDPR compliance by adding terms and condition acceptance, privacy policy, and cookie consent, right? So you can use this. So what you can do is that you can start cookie consent right from here, make it available. You can also you can see privacy compliance updated. You can go ahead and add this privacy policy link to your website as well. That would make it privacy policy compliant. And then you can add this link to it as well. This is the terms and condition one. So make sure that you copy this, paste this onto your website, and once that is done, you can mark it as compliant, right? So this is how you can actually go ahead and make your or your client's website compliant as well, right? So as you can see here now, all of these are compliant. So I've turned the GDPR compliance on as well. So in the same way, you can go ahead and check out for the ADA compliance as well, whether your site is ADA compliant or not. If it is already, then it would show up on this report as compliant. In that case, you don't need to do any kind of work because it is compliant already. But in case if it is not compliant, you can add this different kind of things. You can add a widget, you can add your customization, like you can have all of these icons. You can choose any of them, right? You can have the sound effects on or off. You can also go ahead and have your content adjustment, right? The different content tools that are available, like content scaling, readable font, highlight title, text magnifier, all of these you can set to on, right? And once you have added all the stuffs that you need, you just need to go over to this installation tab, click on that, and this will generate a code for you. All that you need to do is copy this code and paste it on your website, and boom, your website would be ADA compliant within a few minutes. So that's the kind of power that you have with it, right? Now let me return to the dashboard. And in the same way, you can make it SEO and performance compliant as well. That's up to you. You can run the audit to figure out how compliant your website is in terms of SEO and performance, right? And in here, this is one of the most important part, which is the website security. Now, in here, if you go down over here, you can find a plugin, right? All that you need to do is install this, download this plugin and install it on your target website, which I've done over here. And in here, you can find this dashboard, right? Now, this includes anything like traffic analysis, like which part of the world your traffic is coming from. You can add the protection as well. You can add system restriction. You can add whitelisting. You can add caution pages. You can even add secure checker server. You can have the error monitoring. You can have the HT access editor, which is very important as well. You can have the port scanner, whether there are any open ports through which the attackers might actually enter into your website. You can also find IP blacklisting, from where you can blacklist the IPs that you potentially think is going to be dangerous for your site, right? You can also have this checker hashing. You can have these logs. You can have the login history, anything and everything. And there is a detailed kind of security thing that you can go through, right? So this is a great thing to have. You can have the proxy protection, you can have the spam protection, you can have the bad bots protection. So all of these can be covered through this plugin. So this is an amazing plugin to have, right? So this is one of the part of this Marshal. Now with that being said, you can go ahead and add different kind of security scan. You can go for full scan, you can go for SQL injection scan as well, you can go for malware scan, SSL scan and whatnot. You can go for open port scan, or if you want to, you can just go for a full scan at one time as well. So what you can do with this tool, this is a very important thing to have. First of all, you can use it for your own website, right? To have a protected and secure website is something that everybody wants. So this is the first thing that you can do. Secondly, you can use it for legal suits, right? This can save you millions of dollars in terms of legal cases, because once your website is not compliant, you are liable to legal suits, right? And you can face them anytime, right? So this is one of the good things that you can do. You can check them out previously, and then you can implement that so that you never get into any legal compliance. Thirdly, what you can do with it is that you can approach your local marketplace. People nowadays do have a website. So as a digital marketing agency or a social media marketing agency, it's difficult to actually gain client with these kind of services. Rather, what you can assist them with is that, hey guys, we will do a security checking on your website and look what we have found. So you can share them the report and you can say, I can make all of these issues solved. So this can act as a foot in the door opportunity for you to penetrate your local market. This is a great way for the digital marketing and social media marketing experts, also for any freelancers. With that being said, for freelancing, it has a huge opportunity. You can list this as a gig on Fiverr or Upwork or any marketplace that you want to, because it comes with commercial license and you can sell this as a service for top dollars. With that being said, those are the few ways in which you can make money out of it. I'm sure you can find out many more ways as well. Now, with that being said, it brings me to an end of this Marshal demo, and I really hope that you guys have found it very interesting. And if you have, and if you really want to pick this up, then why not via my link, because I'm giving you the best in class bonuses that you can ever have for Marshal app review. With that being said, all that you need to do to check out my bonuses is go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should again look like this. We have already gone a walkthrough of it, right? You can check out my bonuses again if you wish to, and then scroll down to find any of these green buttons. Click on this. This will take you to the Marshal sales page, which should look like this. And in here, you can scroll down. You can go through this entire page at your time. And once you find it very interesting, you can just click on any of this button to pick up Marshal along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost. With that being said, all your bonuses would be delivered right inside your JVZoo dashboard. If you have got any problems in getting them, kindly reach out to us on our email ID or on our Facebook page or on the WhatsApp number that you see at the bottom of the screen. With that being said, now it's time for the pricing and the upgrades that it has. Now the front end is going to be priced at only 37 bucks for the early birds. With that being said, please check out early in order to get that pricing. Otherwise, the prices are going to go up to $67. Now the upgrade one is the unlimited one, and it should be priced at $97 a year. The front end has a limitation on the number of websites that you can add, but this makes Marshal unlimited, and at $97 it's a good one to have. Although it's a yearly pricing that it has, I'll tell you a way in which you can get it at a one-time price. The next upgrade is the professional one, and it should cost you $67, and it actually allows you to white level the report. That is, the reports are going to carry your logo, right? So that's a great one to have. The next one is the enterprise upgrade, and it should cost you $57. And this actually allows you to white level the app itself. And you can also add team member access to it as well. So this is a good one if you're looking to actually scale this business. The next one is Social Agency 360, which is an all-in-one social media management software that you can have as a social media management agency, and it should cost you only one-time price of $47. The next one that they have is Content Burger, which costs you $67 one-time price, and it spills out contents for you, which you can share in social media. Again, a one-time price makes it a good choice to have. Last but not the least is CoinCart, which actually allows you to implement crypto checkout on your websites, right? Or your client's website as well. Now, with that being said, as you can see here, few of the upgrades have a recurring pricing. You can go through all the upgrades detail over here. Everything is written on my bonus page. Just feel free to go through them, right? But now I'm going to share with you a great opportunity that you have currently is to pick up the bundle of Marshal. Now the bundle is going to have everything on Marshal, that is the front end, then the upgrade one, that is unlimited, then the enterprise, and also the professional, all of them. Alongside that, you are going to pick up Social Agency 360, Content Burger, and CoinCard for a jaw-dropping price of $247 one-time price. As I told you, I'm going to reveal you how you can get it at a one-time price. So make sure that you apply this coupon code SAFE bundle for additional $50 off, because the bundle is going to be priced at $297, but once you apply this coupon, you are going to get it for $247. And at this price, with all of these softwares, it's a great choice to have. This is something that can really step your game up as a digital marketer or a social media marketing agency or even a freelancer. With that being said, all the upgrades are optional. You can just feel free to take action on whichever you like. And all these opinions are based on my personal choices. So please feel free to go through the sales page and act as the way you think. With that being said, to conclude, if you go by my recommendation, then the bundle is a great choice to have. But if you are not looking for the bundle, then I would suggest you go for the front end and the upgrade one at least, right? So with that being said, it wraps up my review on Marshal, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this Marshal review. If you have, please help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Marshal app review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is Shine from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.